A very warm good morning to everyone, respected principals, sir, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Chalana on behalf of Standard 10 welcoming you all to today's morning assembly. Let's start our assembly with DAV
School, attention! Ready for DAV gun. Join your hands and close your eyes.
A place is a way to make us aware of our duties. So, I request you to lead us with the place.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall always give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people I place my devotion. In their well-being, prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
To present the 10 principles of Arya Samaj, I would like to call
10 Principle of Arya Samaj. Principle number 5. One should do everything according to decided of Dharma after due reflection over right and wrong. Principle number 6. Doing good to all world is the primary objective of society to look its physical, spiritual and social welfare. Thank you.
new thoughts in the morning, walks like fuel which keeps us smiling and encouraging throughout the day. So to present today's thought, here comes
Hey everyone, I am Anushka Lakra of Standard 7. Today's thought is winner. Winner are not those who never fail, but those who never quit. Thank you.
School, attention! Ready for prayer song.
Mari
stand it is.
Now I would like to call Somyo to deliver today's fact file.
Good morning everyone. Today's facts are based on National Energy Conservation Day. Fact number 1. National Energy Conservation Day is celebrated on 14 December to raise awareness about the need for energy and its conservation in daily life. Fact number 2. Since 1991, it is celebrated every year on 14 December by the Bureau of Energy Efficiency under the Ministry of Power. Fact number 3. Ministry of Power is celebrating the Energy Conservation Week from 8 to 14 December 2021. Fact number 4. This year's theme for National Energy Conservation Day is Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, Energy Efficient India and Cleaner Planet. Thank you.
Words are not only the vehicles in which thoughts are delivered, they are part of thinking. So, to present today's word, here comes.
Good morning to all. Today's word is dermatitis. Its meaning is inflammation of the skin may develop blisters. Its spelling is DERMATITIS. Thank you.
School, attention. Ready for national anthem.
Don't be afraid to fail. It's proof you will soon be successful. With this, I would like to conclude today's assembly. Have a nice day. Thank you.
School, stand it is. Assembly dispersed.